Loneliness is not forever. Here's how to make it stop. You are not alone. Loneliness is temporary. Feeling alone, like nobody understands, it's a common experience, and it's okay to feel this way sometimes. You are not the only one. In fact, many people around you might be feeling the same way, even if they don't show it. Millions of people experience loneliness at different points in their lives. It's a universal feeling that connects us all in a strange way. But here's the good news. It's not forever. Just like the sun rises after the darkest night, your feelings of loneliness will pass. Loneliness is a feeling, and feelings change. They are like the weather, sometimes stormy and sometimes clear. Like a passing storm, loneliness will eventually fade. It may take time, but brighter days are ahead. Remember, you are worthy of love and connection. Seek out those who care about you, and don't be afraid to reach out. Your feelings are valid, and you deserve to feel connected and loved. Connection is key. Finding your tribe. Humans crave connection. We are social creatures. Strong bonds with others nourish our souls. Finding your tribe, people who get you, is vital. These are the people who make you feel seen, heard, and valued. Taking action, practical steps to combat loneliness. Don't wait for connection to find you. Take charge, join a club, volunteer, or take a class. Shared experiences create natural bonds. Reach out to someone you haven't spoken to in a while. A simple phone call can brighten someone's day, including yours. Stories of hope triumph over isolation. Remember Emily? She was once a stranger in a new city, feeling the weight of loneliness. She felt invisible after moving to a new city. The bustling streets and crowded parks only amplified her sense of isolation. Every day felt like a challenge, and the city seemed vast and unwelcoming. Then she joined a hiking group. It was a simple decision, but it changed everything. The group welcomed her with open arms, and she began to feel a sense of belonging. She found her people who loved nature as much as she did. They shared stories, laughter, and the beauty of the great outdoors. Each hike brought new adventures and deeper connections. Now she has a close circle of friends and feels happy and supported. They celebrate milestones together, share meals, and create lasting memories. Emily's life transformed from solitude to joy. Emily's story is a reminder that connection is possible, even in new and unfamiliar places. It's a testament to the power of community and the importance of stepping out of one's comfort zone. No matter where you are, there's always a chance to find your tribe and build meaningful relationships. A brighter tomorrow, embracing connection and joy. Loneliness can be overcome. It starts with a single step, a single smile, a single moment of reaching out. In a world that often feels disconnected, we have the power to change that narrative. Believe in the power of connection. It's in the warmth of a handshake, the shared laughter over a meal, the comfort of knowing someone cares. These moments, though small, weave the fabric of our lives, making them richer and more meaningful. Open your heart to new friendships. Embrace community. Whether it's meeting new friends for the first time, participating in a community event, or volunteering together, these experiences build bonds that last a lifetime. They remind us that we are part of something bigger. Joy and belonging await you. In the dance of celebration, the innocent play of children, and the warmth of family gatherings, we find our true selves. These moments of joy and belonging are the essence of life, waiting for us to embrace them. You are not alone on this journey. In times of need, a friend's comfort, the support of a group, and the solidarity of holding hands can make all the difference. These connections remind us that we are never truly alone. Take a step and then another. Each step towards connection, no matter how small, brings us closer to a life filled with joy and belonging. It might be daunting at first, but the rewards are immeasurable. There is hope, and a brighter tomorrow is within your reach. With each connection made, each friendship formed, and each moment of joy embraced, we move towards a future filled with light and happiness. The journey begins now.